Molly. Molly, I'm trying to make this picture for Lisa and you're not being still. Molly. Okay. Fun, fun, fun. Yeah, that's fun. That's what we go through, Lisa. I get it. I get it. I get it. Bring it back. Please, Molly. Bring it back. Whoa. What? Oh, you resting now? Are you resting? Huh? Are you resting? You are? This is for Lisa. Can you talk to Lisa? Say hi, Lisa. Hi, Lisa. Good girl. Molly's a good girl. Oh, okay. She give up.